So as a Shiv Yogi, if you have to reach towards the state of Nirguna Avastha, so you must do the self-analysis. What is the intention? Every action, every step which you put forward, what is the intention? And this is called the life bondages. बंधन, जीवन के बंधन. तो जितना फियर और ग्रीड होगा उतना बंधते जाओगे, और जितना सेल्फ एस्टीम के कारण एक्शन करोगे उतना लिबरेट होते जाओगे. दैट इज द डेफिनेशन, द प्रैक्टिकल ट्रूथफुल डेफिनेशन ऑफ लिबरेशन और bondages. Because this was the first lesson I was to learn and qualify. Shuddha Bhavana. Purest of the pure intention in my every action. I least bother what other people will say. I least bother that I have to shine in the world. The sun is not bothered that he has to shine in the sun. He is shining because he loves to shine. So you are a healer because you love to be a healer. And you feel happiness if somebody is all right. And you are still happy if somebody is not all right. Indifferent. कर्म करना, फल की चिंता नहीं करना. कर्म करना, फल की चिंता नहीं करना. जबकि हमारा उद्देश्य क्या होता है? पहले फल आगे रखते हैं और फिर कर्म करते हैं, फिर चिंता करते हैं ये मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. और जब चिंता करते हैं तो कौन सी एनर्जी पैदा होती है? So will you achieve positive result with worries? No. So this worries, this fear, this greed, this you will have to release. Why I am asking all of you to come in the morning and do this healing? Because I want this energy patterns of fear, greed, worry, sorrow to leave you completely. Then only you will see the truth. And as it leaves, you will never complain. No complaint left. Because then the realization comes that I am the creator. Whatever I create, that's what I am going to get. And if I think that somebody should give me, many buddies will give you. Not somebody, but many buddies will give you. But if you have not created it, whatever you are receiving, you will not be able to sustain it. You will lose it. But if you will be able to create what you want, then you never know from where it will come, but it will come to you. So create perfect health. And stop worrying how it will happen. Just do it. And the things will start happening.